So I can only hope and pray that you understood me. Once again, if you don't understand me, I have used very simple English. I have talked very slowly. If you still don't understand,
If you show me, I am understood.
you understand?
Yeah, I understand the video. So you show me.
Okay, so now that you understand the feature, the customer says, I want a new number 2077 for these two extensions. You must first go to 2016. If there's no answer after 5 seconds, it must go to the next member, 2017. So there you know, because the system customer said it must first go to 2016, you know it must always go to 2016, so it must be a terminal. The customer says if there's no answer at 2016 after 5 seconds, it must go to the next member, 2017. So now you know it's a cascade. So now you know it is a terminal cascade. Terminal means it must ring the first one in the list first, first one which is free in the list, and if there's no answer, it must go to the next one. That is terminal cascade. Okay. So to configure this feature, we will configure 3 single lines on the hot desk user 2042. Remember, the Mitel telephones are multi-line telephones, meaning that you can have multiple extension numbers on those telephones. So on this one telephone, we're going to configure 3 extension numbers so that we can see this feature working. Okay. So how do we do it? So first of all, I am going to configure the 3 single lines on extension 2042. So user and services. I'm looking for number 2042. Looking for a number. That is a number. Search. There's 2042. I go to keys and I will program the second key to be the number 2016. It is going to be a single line, and the label display on the phone I'm going to put as SL-2016. Button number 3, also a single line. The label on the phone is SL-2017, and that number is 2017. And also, I'm going to say it must not ring, it must just flash. It must not ring. And on button number 4, another single line, SL-2016. 2018, and the number is 2018, and I do not want it to ring. So tick tick, everything is good. Okay, so now I have my 3 extension numbers, 2016, 2017, 2018. I'm going to create a class of service for the ring group. So here I'm just going to copy an existing one. So class of service. We imported these class of services yesterday. I'm going to take the standard user one, copy it, and create it as class of service number 9. And the comment, I'm just going to put sales and service teams. But I'm not going to change anything else. But at least I have a different class of service for these ring group teams. And then I can configure the ring group. So group programming, ring groups. I want to add a group. Customer says the number is 2077. That is what the people must dial. We have worked out that it is a terminal cascade. The customer wants the name to be SS201, SS2077. The class of service we have just created was 9. And the customer told me it must ring at an extension for 5 seconds and then move on to the next one. That's terminal ring. The customer says it must ring in the group for a total of 20 seconds. So that's called ring. After 20 seconds, if there's no answer, the customer has told us it must go to 2018. Save. I've now defined the group parameters. I must now put extensions into the group. Down here, add member. Because the 2 extensions are in a nice sequence, 2016 and 2017, I can add both of them together. 2016, increment by 1. Save. So they are my 2 extensions. Okay. Then it's a matter of testing, step number 4. So can you please do lab 47?
Already, sir.
Okay,
You already.
it's ready, it's working. You understand what's going on?
Yes. I config already
Okay.
on the system.
Sorry, say again?
I config already on the system student A. Yeah.
Yeah, you configured, but you tested.
I tested.
Step number 4,
Yeah.
you must test it.
So the dash phone no have extension 20 and 40. No, 42.
It is. It's a hot desk user. I imported it for you. 20. There's 2042. Log in 2042. You learned earlier today how to log in a hot desk user. So log in 2042 on 2111. Oh no, yeah, on 2111.
Yeah, I'm testing call to 20 and 16.
What? How? What did you say? What did you say?
I'm testing single class.
You must follow the instructions.
Yeah,
So, did you log in extension 2042? Did you log in extension 2042?
yeah, I log in already, sir.
Okay, wait, let me check that. Okay, and then you have extension 2049, which is your 6905. Dial 2077. What happens if you dial 2077? So what is happening now? Let me dial 2077.
There, yeah,
Okay.
I added the extension 2049 and there to the 2077.
So does it behave according to my step 4? Does it do that? Does it ring 20? Can you see 2016 ringing? Remember 2016 is a button on 2042. Send me a